Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. We're diving into a hands-on project, wiring a thermocontroller with a thermocouple sensor. If you're into DIY electronics or temperature control projects, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so let's get started. Before we begin, let's take a look at the components we'll be using. Here, we have a PID thermocontroller, a Type K thermocouple sensor, which in this case is a heating element. And of course, we'll need a power supply to make it all work. The thermocontroller is the brain of this setup. It reads the temperature from the thermocouple and decides when to turn the load on or off to maintain the set temperature. The thermocouple is our temperature sensor, and it's crucial to wire it correctly for accurate readings. Step 1. Connect the thermocouple sensor. On the thermocontroller, look for the thermocouple input terminals, usually marked as T+ and T. Match the wires to the correct polarity. The positive wire is typically yellow or green, and the negative wire is red. Secure them tightly to avoid any loose connections. Power up the thermocontroller. Identify the power input terminals. My thermocontroller runs on 220V AC, so I'm connecting the live and neutral wires to these terminals. Always double-check your manual to ensure the voltage matches your setup. Testing the setup. Once all the wiring is complete, it's time to test the system. First, double-check all connections to ensure everything is secure and safe. Then, power up the thermocontroller. Here you can see the temperature displayed on the controller. I'm setting the target temperature to 90 degrees Celsius. As the temperature rises, the controller activates the relay, turning on the heating element. Once it reaches the target, it turns off automatically. Perfect. And there you have it, a simple way to wire a thermocontroller with a thermocouple sensor. This setup can be used for all sorts of projects, from controlling a heating system to automating a brewing process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DIY tutorials. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.